Hello everyone, and very warm welcome to all of you in the class. Now we are going to start our chapter number 2, which is about expression, formulae and equation. And today our topic is recognize algebraic expression. Now it's week 4, day 1. This is our school mission and vision. Before going to start the today new lesson, we will discuss about value of the week. And the value of the week is very important, which is respect is my habit. So, as you know, that respect is a very important part of life. And what are these are some beneficial benefits of the good habit. Respect as a good habit. Okay. The first one is what are the benefits? Good habits helps you stay focused and perform well in the school. Okay. Now second one is they make it easier to complete task on time. This is all about good habits. So one of the most good habit is respect. Respect is the one most important things in our life. So make respect as a priority number one habits in your life. Okay, this is some general habits which helps and benefits in your life. So I suggest you that must add respect in your habits. Okay. The third one is about good habits improve relationship with classmates. It's all about good habits. Okay, they contribute to overall health and energy levels. Now, what are the basic? What are the fifth benefits of the good habits? Are practicing good habits boost self-esteem. Self-esteem means to build a confidence to you and leads to happiness and success. Okay. Now, this is our objective of the lesson, which is how do we recognize algebraic expression. So our today topic is all about algebraic expression. So we will discuss about first about expression and then about how we can recognize the algebraic expression. First this is a lesson starter. Let's suppose that through an example I will tell you about that how what is expression. Okay, what is expression and okay, let's suppose that m thinks of a number. Let's suppose m thinks of a number x. Suppose that okay, x is any number. Let's suppose that 5 6 7 any number. He divides the number by 3. So he divide the his number which he think about, divide the number by 3. Okay, so write in this form and add is the arithmetic operation. Then write add which number is add in this x by 3? 7. Okay, so it becomes a expression. How we can write it? First we use the number x, then dividing by 3 first part, then add 7. Now look at this example. This is an expression for the number 7 gets. Okay, hope so you have understand better that through this example what is the expression. Now so I am going to define the expression. What does it mean by in mathematical sentence comprising numbers, variables and operations such as you know that there are four basic arithmetic operations. First one is plus, minus, multiply and division. So expression includes number one is include numbers, for example 1 2 3 up to so on, and number 2 is called variables, for example x y and z. So what are the variables? What are the variables mean? Unknown value. Unknown value is called variable, is called a variable. Okay, an operation mean to say that, for example plus, minus, multiply, divides. So these are four basic operations. So we have used to when we have to write expressions. Let's suppose that this expression is 2x plus 3. So break down the components. 2 is the coefficient. Now what is the coefficient? Let's suppose x is variable as you already told you about x, y, z are a variable. If I multiply this number by 2, the number multiplied with the variable is called the coefficient. So this number 2 is called a coefficient. Okay, so for example, if I write 3x, so what are the coefficient? Coefficient is 3. Why coefficient of 3 is 3? Because it is multiplied by variables. So 2 is the coefficient here, x is a variable, I already told you about that, and 3 is a constant. What does it mean by constant? Constant means a fixed value. Fixed value is called expression. Okay, these are also all about algebraic expressions. Is mathematical phrase that includes numbers, variables like x and y, operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I already told you about this one. Okay, so this is the main key point about algebraic expressions. The algebraic expression contains number 1 is variable, number 2 is coefficient, number 3 is constant, and then use the arithmetic operations. Okay, constant, variables. What are the variables? Letters, symbols that represent unknown quantities. I already told you about that. Constant mean a fixed value. Coefficient mean number multiplied by variables. For example, 2x. X is variable, 2 is coefficient. The number multiplied by variable is called coefficient. And these are some symbols also. Okay. Let's suppose that I explain you algebraic expression with this example. Let's suppose we have a expression 3x plus 5. So what does it mean? Where 3x? First suppose 3x must mean 3 times the variables. 3 times the variable x, and add is added to the and add 5 is added to the product. So this is our 3x mean product. 3 cross x is called product. So add 5 in the product of 3x. How we can read it? Add 5 in the product of 3x. Let's suppose that second example, x divided by 3, where x is divisible by 3. X is divisible by 3, sorry, 3 right here, divisible by 3, and then subtract 7. Okay, now this is a worked example from textbook page number 31. How we can write the algebraic expression. Let's suppose that Taylor, any boy, thinks a number x pose. Let's suppose he thinks a number x. X is any number which he thinks that. Okay, write an expression for the Taylor gets when 40, double the number and subtract 3. First he thinks the number x. Double the number mean 2 multiplied by x. Now its number is doubled. So what should we subtract this from this? Minus 3. So our expression will be 2x minus 3. Okay, this is the answer of part A. Part B divides the number by 3. It has two parts. Okay, which number is thinks that divides the number by 3? Look at this. Write this one. And the second part is add 2 plus 2. Okay, so this is the answer of part B. The third one is about add 2 to the number. This is the first part. Add 2 in the number. Which number he thinks? Add 2 in the number, then multiply by 4. Okay, first write the number, then add 2. Write 2 here. First part complete. Second part is then multiply 4. Then use the bracket. 4 is multiply a number with both x and 2 also. Okay, so this is a method you can write the algebraic expression. Now question number exercise 2.1. Okay, question is copy and complete these sentence. Use these words from clouds. We use these words from the cloud and complete this sentence. First one, in the blanks, 4x plus 9 in the, what is this? 4x plus 9 is an expression, algebraic expression. Okay, so we write here expression. Okay, 4x plus 9, x is called variable. Okay, we have used this one, x is called variable because it is unknown value, so unknown value is called variable. 4x and 9 are the terms, for example 4x plus 9, it is the first term. Okay, this is the second term. So 4x plus 9 separately we call it as a terms. 4 is the in the blanks of x, 4 is the coefficient of x. 4 is the coefficient, this one, right? 4x, so number multiplied with a variable is called the coefficient. So 4 is the coefficient and 9 is the constant because it's a fixed value. Fixed value is called the constant value. Okay, 9 is the fixed value, so that is why it is called a constant. The expression is not equal to anything, so cannot be solved. For example, okay, 4x plus 9, it is not equal to, there is a no equal sign here, so we cannot find the expression, any solution of expression. Okay, I repeat it again, the expression is not equal to anything, is not equal to, there is a no equal sign. So if there is a no equal sign, we cannot find the solution of expression. Okay, equation always have the some solution because it has the equal sign. Now question from textbook. Okay, this is all question number 2, page number 31. Anisha has a box that contains X DVDs. Okay, so Tanisha, any student, any girl have a box which contains the DVDs. Now we choose the correct expression from the cloud here. The total number of DVDs she has in the box. Let's suppose that she has X DVDs. Okay, X any number. Now already mentioned here. Okay, she takes 2 out. Okay, let's suppose that here is a box of DVDs, so she takes 2 DVDs out of the box. So if she takes 2 DVDs from the box, so the expression will be x minus 2, this one. Okay, if you take out means reduce the number of DVDs in the box. Okay, part 2, she puts in 2 more, so she put 2 DVDs in the box. So what is the expression will be x plus 2, add mean plus, she puts in mean add 2 DVDs in the box. Third one is that she takes out half of the DVDs, half mean x by 2. Okay, the fourth one is that she doubled the numbers, double mean 2x, use this one, double mean 2x. She doubles the number of DVDs in the box. So hope so you understand how we can write these sentences into expression form. Question from the textbook. Okay, let's suppose that think of a number. Okay, so I am giving you these questions as a home task to you. So very simple question. Okay, share with me on WhatsApp number. Let's suppose I solve one for you. Multiply the number by 6, then add 1. So what is the number? What is our number? Number is equal to n. Okay, what is the required condition is multiply the by 6. So multiply 6 with this number. What is the number? 6 and then add 1. So this is our expression for part 1. Same like all questions. Okay, do these questions on notebook. So question from the textbook, page 31. Match these with the correct option. So this is the question about matching. Here is a there are 6 part almost, A B C D F, there are almost 6 part. So match with the correct expression. For example, A is multiply by n, multiply n by 5, n by 5 and subtract multiply n by 5. N by 5 means 5 into n and subtract 4. So what is the correct option? So first A will be joined with part 4. This one. A will match with part 4. Is the correct option is 4. Part B. Sorry, this one. Add 4 and 4n. 4 and n. Add 4 plus n. First write the number. Add 4 and n. Then multiply 5. Then multiply 5 like this one. So what is the correct option is? Here is B part is joined with part 1. So this will connect with part B. Okay. So part C is about multiply n by 5, n by 5 and add 4. First solve this one. Multiply n by 5. N mean like this one. N by 5 add 4. Multiply by n by 5 and add 4. What is the correct option is? This one. So C will be connected with 5. Okay. Now next one is about add 5 and n. So add 5, I mean to say n 5 plus 5, then multiply 4. This is part D, I think so. Part D. What is the correct option is there? 4n plus 5. 4n plus 5 is this one. Okay, this is all part D. Part 2, sorry. Now next one is about C, E part. Subtract 4 from n minus 4, then multiply 5. 5 and minus 4, this one, part V2. Okay, so E connect join with 7 part. Okay, so where is F? Subtract 5 from n minus 5, then multiply 4. Here is any correct option with 4 n minus 5. I think so. Third one is 4 n minus 5. Subtract 5 from n. Okay, 5 from n to means n will be subtract from 5. Subtract 5 from n. So I will write from n minus 5. Okay, so it will connect with 3. Okay, this is also for your home task. Do this question at home. If you have any confusion, then ask me on my personal number. Okay, WhatsApp number. So thank you so much. Hope so you have enjoyed the today lesson about expression and algebraic expressions. So hope so enjoy the lesson. So hope inshallah see you next lesson.